Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a forward edge, guys. So if you have a forward edge, you have problems with your instrument cluster, also known as gauges, guys, not working or not working correctly, there is actually, guys, two fuses that you need to check. Stay with us and we'll cover that today. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation forward edge, we make at least 200 videos, guys. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Hopefully, guys, you will find the information helpful. If you need to buy replacement fuses, relays, car parts, tools, guys, and you want to save money on those, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can get them for a really good price. This right here now, it's a 2009 forward edge that we'll be working on. And if your instrument cluster is not working, guys, okay, or it's not working correctly, check these two fuses. Okay, you can see this is your instrument cluster and gauges here as well. So that's what we'll be covering today, guys. Now, they may look different depending on which package you have, but the fuse should be the same. Where, guys, okay, that fuse is located, you need to come, okay, in the foot, well, right here by the pedals, and you're going to notice that if you come right here on the side, you have a fuse box. Now, this fuse box usually you won't be able to see. Why? Simply, guys, due to the fact, okay, that right here now, you have to actually open it. It will be closed like that. Go ahead, slide that thing, open it. Then, what else you need to do? Here you're going to have another cover. This cover, okay, will be installed here. You need to squish on both sides and pull that thing out. Now, guys, we actually have, as I said, two fuses. Not one, but two, for the instrument cluster that we need to check. The good news, guys, on that cover here now, okay, you have actually the fuse numbers printed on the back side, so this makes it really convenient. And the first fuse, guys, that we need to check, it's fuse number 26. Fuse number 26, this one right here, guys. This is the second row, okay, second row from left to right, and it will be the second fuse from bottom to top, or from that relay will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fuse. In our case, okay, it's just that fuse, that first 10 amp fuse, okay, right here. This is the fuse, guys. If you need to replace it, all you have to do, okay, grab a fuse puller and pull it out, guys. Pretty simple. You can see just like that. Now, if you guys actually need to get fuses, okay, replacement fuses for a really good price, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get the whole box with a free fuse puller for a super good price, guys. We couldn't find a better deal than that. So now I will go ahead and install it. This is one of the fuses. What about the second fuse, guys? Second fuse, it's actually fuse number 29. Fuse number 29, it will be the third row from left to right, 1, 2, 3. It will be the very first fuse on top, guys. Very first fuse right there. It's actually, okay, I'm trying to focus here a little bit. It's a 5 amp fuse on the very top, guys. 5 amp fuse that we have. So fuse number 26, fuse number 29, guys. And check those. If that doesn't fix the problem, guys, we have a video how to remove and replace the instrument cluster as well. Check it out. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.